Hi friends. In this video, we will see input-output linking with panel doors in COSEC. Input-output configuration enables the system to generate a specific response as output to the given input. A change in the door state, as open and close, or an event occurring as access allowed or access denied, is input to the system. The generated alarm or pulse, configured with the system at the aux output, is the output from the system. Consider a scenario. In a corporate office, COSEC panel light is installed, having 3 panel doors connected to it. An unauthorized person enters the premises and forcefully asks the security guard to access his credentials to open the main door. Security guard must inform about this to the manager and alert the employees still working on the premises. In this case, I/O linking can be done for duress detection, connecting buzzers to panel doors through the aux output port. Only pin-type credentials are used for duress detection. User must access the door using his PIN credential. Press arrow key, then enter 2-digit duress code, and press enter. Door will open, and at the same time, the buzzers will be activated. Let us see the I/O configuration for duress detection in panel light and connections. Basic requirements. COSEC devices supporting I/O linking feature. COSEC Door V2, Door FOP V3, Door PVR, COSEC Vika, and Panel Light V2. Access Control User License. Buzzers. Connections for the considered scenario. We will connect buzzer to aux relay of each panel door. Connect extra power supply to the buzzer as required. Let us move on to the configuration now. We will complete the configuration in 5 steps. Enable duress detection feature and set the default code. Create input groups. Create output groups. I/O linking. Configuration. Let us start with the first step, to enable duress detection feature and set the default code. Log into COSEC Web. Select Devices module, followed by Device List. Select Panel Light V2 from the list. Go to the Features section in Device Configuration. Select Set 3 tab. Check the duress detection flag to enable the feature in Panel Light. Default code is 10 by default and can be changed from here. Click on the Save icon to save the configuration. This completes the first step. Now, let us move on to the second step, to create input groups. Input groups enables to club the input ports of all the connected panel doors in one group for I/O linking. Select the Input Groups tab. Click on plus icon to add a new group. Enter the desired name to the input group. Now let us add members, that is, panel doors to it. Click on Members. Member configuration page opens. Source is the device from where the system will get the input. Select Door from the drop-down list, as duress code will be applied to the panel door. Port is the input type, applied to the panel door. Select DC duress alarm from the drop-down list. Select panel door from the pick list, on which duress detection event should trigger the output group. In this scenario, duress detection event can be generated on the main door, so we will select main door panel device. Set the timer in seconds to activate the input port an input port active timer. Click on the Add button to save the configuration. There are two options available in type: All Active, Anyone Active. All Active. System will trigger for output only if input signal is received from all the connected panel doors. Anyone Active. System will trigger for output even if input signal is received from at least one panel door. Here, we will select Anyone Active. Save the configuration. This completes the second step. Now let us move on to the third step, to create output groups. Output groups enables to club the output ports of all the connected panel doors in one group for I/O linking. Select the Output Groups tab. Note: System supports up to 99 output groups. Click on plus icon to add a new group. Enter the desired name to the output group. Select the output type from the pick list. There are 4 options available. Pulse. Selecting this type will activate the output group for the given pulse time in seconds. Interlock. Selecting this type will allow the system to trigger output group as long as the input group signal is applied. After that, they will return to their normal state. Latch. Selecting this type will activate the output group for an infinite period until a manual reset is done from COSEC monitor. Toggle. Selecting this type will allow the output group to reverse its state on receiving the specific signals from the input group. Select Latch as output type here. Output configured here can be applied to all supported panel doors by selecting the members from the device list. Member configuration page opens. Select event type from the drop-down list. There are 3 options available. Door unlock. Select this option to unlock the panel doors. Door lock. Select this option to lock the panel doors. Door aux output. Select this option to trigger the output device connected to the panel doors. In our case, buzzers are connected to the devices with aux output port. We will select door aux output here. Select panel doors on which aux relay will trigger as members from the pick list. Save the configuration. Note: Input-output configuration must be enabled in the panel doors before configuring the I/O linking and panel light. This completes the third step. Now let us move on to the fourth step of I/O linking. I/O group linking enables to define programs that activate single or multiple output ports based on the trigger received from single or multiple input ports. Select the I/O linking tab. Enter the desired link name. Check the active flag to activate the linking program. Select input group number, configured in input groups, from the pick list. Select output group number, configured in output groups, from the pick list. A custom alarm or sound can be configured as an output for a violent event and raise alarm. Select the time zone in which I/O linking program will get activate. Click the Add button to save the configuration. This completes the fourth step. Now let us move on to the last step: configuration. Auxiliary input can be configured when an input device such as smoke detectors, motion detectors, CCTV camera, etc. is connected to sense and give input to the system. Auxiliary output can be configured when an output device, such as LED, buzzer, siren, video recorder, etc., is connected to the system for generating the desired output. Here, we will configure auxiliary output. Check Enable flag to enable the auxiliary output. Select the configured output group from the pick list. To generate the output after a time period, configure output wait time in seconds. Click on the Save icon to save the configuration. This completes the entire configuration for I/O linking with panel door. Now, when a duress detection event will occur on configured input group panel door, it will trigger the aux relay of the configured output group panel doors. Aux relay will switch from NC, normally close, to NO, normally open, and buzzers will alarm. Applications of I/O linking. Useful to the corporate offices, having smoke detectors, to open all the door controllers, when fire rises. Useful to showrooms and construction sites, for denying access, to unauthorized users to specific zones, and generate alarm, or record video, using camera. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries and support, contact Matrix Technical Support Team.